Hey guys, so this place is super cool. It's a townhouse and it's got all this amazing stuff outside. It's got this pond, and what you're seeing there are live turtles. They just live here throughout the year. And apparently they don't need any care for some reason. Opening the gate. The block is quite nice. It's Carroll Gardens. My friend lives, I think, a couple minutes away in her own group house. The owner lives downstairs. He's some kind of eco-architect dude. Going in the main door. Right away, there's a closet where you can store stuff, coats and stuff. All of this is apparently reclaimed wood, which you'll see throughout the whole place. Here's the first floor. Couple windows. It's a new fridge, dishwasher, burners, and it's got a half bath. I really like the wood in this place. Here's some plants that are gonna go upstairs on the roof, which you'll see. And then get ready for this. Hi, Bridget.
Hi.
So under here, which you'll see is a koi pond, but down here is an actual like little pool that you can actually swim in. It's 5 feet deep. Right now it's got some fish in it because they hopped over from the koi pond over there. And then there's this area for seating and hanging out. I love the idea of taking a morning dip to wake up. Okay, that's floor one. Wooden beams. Going up to floor two. Put a little statue here. There are 3 bedrooms on this floor. They're all a little bit small. These apparently can be taken out before we would move in. There's this one. With all these built-in shelves and a closet. So let me just make sure that other place, let me see if it has a closet or not. Oh yeah, this one has a closet also. And then here's the third. The view of the backyard. There's the closet. Some storage space. Washer dryer. More storage. And there's a full bath here. Shower. One feature I love is you can actually see up to the top floor. And then up here is like an extra fantastic living room, huge window, bath. Here's the backyard again. Bookshelves. And then a bedroom here. A bedroom here. Let's see if they have closets. Yep, this one has a closet. And they both have closets. Cool. View of downtown Brooklyn out there. Steps to the roof. Some more storage space up here. And the roof is a beauty. And then this apparently in the spring is pretty lush, as is apparently the backyard. I guess you can't really see it from here. Right now there's some kind of stuff to help plants grow. I wonder if I can walk on this. Oh, I think the answer is no. Oops. Crap. Cool. That's the place. I like it quite a bit. I'm curious what you guys think of it.